yeah.
Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick recap. I'm in Ecuador this week, it's climbing, so I do apologize, probably going to miss a couple of trading days. I'm right now sitting in the ground of a hostel in near Quito, so doing a quick recap. Well, thank you so much for coming today in the chat room. I had the MVIS. MVIS had a really nice move up, gapping up from 20. I don't know actually what was the news on it, but I tried to catch a 1 minute opening range breakup. As you see, I jumped in a little bit too early. I got stopped out because I was not ready for a 1 minute opening range breakup, but I just got out a little bit too early, so I had a first loss, and then it came up, and then I traded 1 minute opening range breakup from 2040 all the way up to 2120. Added more on this micro pullback at 2080, but I missed a big move actually on it. I really missed a big move on it, unfortunately, because I just had a really good profit on it. And then continuing going up, it did a really nice consolidation, ABCD pattern, wedge, whatever you call it, and then traded again for the break of 22. So I went long at 2189, 2179, break of 23 all the way up to 2338, which is the high of the day. So essentially it was a 5 minute opening range breakup, 1 minute opening range breakup, or if you want to call it ABCD pattern or something, this is a really look like a nice ABCD pattern. Brian also traded with me. Brian got this move. I got out too early on it, so Brian got really this part of a big move, but I couldn't. So that's it for me. On the other hand, on a swing account, I had TNA, some TNA, because IWM has room to run up. In the pre-market, I added like about 5,000-6,000 shares on it, as you see in the pre-market in my chart. And at the open, just moved up, and I sold all the way up to 97.60. I'm still holding it. Let's see if it can go back to above 100. So I'm going to hold a couple of thousand shares, I know, like 5,000 shares on it. So yeah, that's it for me, not bad. So I'm going to miss probably a couple of trading days this week. I'm sorry, please don't cancel your subscription, don't get angry. I'll be back, I promise. And we're going to have, next week my flight back to Canada is through Austin. We're going to have a big Austin meetup. I'll make it up to you guys for if you come to Austin. So I do apologize for that. Tonight is the class onboarding class. All the trial members, if you want to know what's going on, what are we doing, what are these charts going up and down, come to our onboarding class at 8 p.m. There are some gifts for you. We have some goodies and gifts for anyone who comes to onboarding class. Carlos is gonna go over those stuff. Brian, what are you trading? You traded GSX short at the open? That one I remember.
Yeah, I took GSX short at the open. Yeah, I have some X right now and FCX because they were popping up on the scanner, and FCX and X are still doing really well.
Yeah, very nice.
FCX is just blasting off here. It's a really nice move.
Excellent. Yeah, so Brian, short. You traded GSX long too, huh? It seems like a ABCD pattern move up.
I did scalp GSX through 32, but
yeah,
I kind of a scalp. I didn't really think it was going to keep running.
Yeah, excellent. No, it seems that it was a great morning for all of us. I hope everyone had a good day. I'm in Ecuador. I'm climbing a couple of peaks. I was here in Christmas time, but it was so much fun that I decided to come back again. And I wanted to climb internationally, and most of everywhere is closed. I mean, internationally, only Nepal and Ecuador is really open for international climbing. Everywhere else is closed. Chamonix, Europe is all closed. Peru, Bolivia are all closed. So I decided to come back to Ecuador. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, and I hope I'll see you all tomorrow in the chat, tonight in the webinar room, and we have a couple of really good webinars this week for the community. Muchas gracias, and sorry if I miss a couple of trading days this week. Cheers. How do I stop this? Okay, I stop it.